Have you seen people sometimes who try to denounce their tribe or even their country for one reason or the other best known to them? I have a counsel for them this morning, and it's from this Yoruba proverb which says, Okun kì í gùn, gùn gùn gùn, kó mọ̀ níbi tó ti gùn wá. Okun kì í gùn, gùn gùn gùn, kó mọ̀ níbi tó ti gùn wá. No matter how long a rope is, there must be a source where that rope comes from. This is telling us that we should always be giving honor to our source. We should always be giving respect and regard to our family, for example, to our country, for example, to our tribe, for example. Don't just say because something is wrong with that family, with that relation, with that country, and you denounce it totally. One day, you will need them. Yoruba says, "Mo tó sọ lẹ́nu, ó ti sọ àpò ìyàkọ́, okùn kì í gùn gùn gùn, kó mọ́ níbi tó ti gùn wá." Remember your family, take care of them, because one day you will need them. Remember your country, pray for your country, because one day you will need your country. Remember your turn, because one day you will need that turn, one area or the other. It may not happen to all of us, but it will eventually happen to one person or the other listening to me. Okùn kì í gùn gùn gùn, kó mọ́ níbi tó ti gùn wá.
It's epoxy. Have you heard about epoxy before? Yes, it's a very beautiful and durable design that is necessary for your home, offices, schools, churches, and mosques. You know what? It is one of the best designs so far that can last for over years. We are talking of hundreds of years, as far as the building is of a quality standard. And I'll tell you the truth, it costs not much if you want this done. Look at the walls. We are installing a 3D design on this wall and the ceiling. You can have it on your walls, on your ceiling, on the ground, and in your bedrooms, in your toilets, in your kitchens, everywhere. You can have it anywhere, even outside, at your gates. The major thing is beautify your home, beautify your environment. I learned that the beautiful environment is healthy body. What do you think about that? Call us and we'll be there right away. Check the number on the screen and dial us now. Thank you.